Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make bloom powder at home. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1/4 cup of arrowroot powder, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and for a tinted powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Make sure all your tools and containers are thoroughly clean and dry before you start. This ensures a fresh and effective product for your skin. Next, let's combine the dry ingredients to form the base of your powder. In a clean bowl, add your 1/4 cup of arrowroot powder and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. It's a good idea to sift these through a fine mesh sieve to break up any lumps and ensure a super smooth texture. Stir them together gently for about 30 seconds, making sure they are completely blended. This forms the perfect, lightweight base. Now for an optional step, customizing your powder's color. If you desire a tinted powder, slowly add unsweetened cocoa powder, starting with just 1/2 teaspoon. Mix it in thoroughly, then test a small amount on your jawline to check the shade. Continue adding tiny increments of cocoa powder, mixing and testing each time until you achieve your ideal skin tone match. This allows for a truly personalized finish. Finally, let's talk about storing and using your homemade powder. Carefully transfer your freshly made powder into a clean, airtight container. A small glass jar or a repurposed compact with a sifter is ideal. To apply, simply use a soft brush or a powder puff, dusting lightly over your face for a matte, blooming effect. Stored properly in a cool, dry place, your powder will remain fresh and effective for up to 3 to 4 months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.